just turned off my radio so I don't get done for copyright. Now we'll shoot up this other wall. You know, people say to me, oh, it's faster spreading your... Oh, I haven't got any clips in there. They say it's faster spreading your wool. It's not, you know. This is faster than spreading your wool, and you don't get mess. The only reason why I've got a tarp down on this floor is because it's a black shiny tile and I don't want to scratch it. Otherwise, I work my walls without having to protect my floor for mess, because there's no mess when you glue your tile. Anyway, but you can do whatever you feel the most comfortable at. Really. But I see some messy tilers out there. You don't want to spend 2 days doing your walls and then 2 days cleaning up the mess. No, 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 no. No, no, no. That's not the thing to do. People might be saying, oh, you got to make sure that that your lines are the same. Yes, every now and then I go across like that, people, to make sure I'm bang on, and I am. I'll check it every couple of tiles and maybe adjust my wall tile accordingly, and then I'll cut all that row and pop them in, number them off, cut it in, same as that. But I can cut them all the same because I'm not going into another tile. Cut them all the same, bang them up. I'll come back to you when I cut this. See ya.